Pulit ke East KHASI Hills kilala ban Pynpulom no ya ke Jingthmu ki riu runar ban Lute bat kilaya yo kem no ru ya sangut ki brio ki bladon kti ha bantu ikin narod Superintendent ki Pulit ki East KHASI Hills uba Sylvester Nongnger ula pentep bakat kum ke ejahar bala ujor ke khandai terik unailar da uba dai bormi mukhem bat uba robot shadap katrok jongki ka balakit yakin narod la penyeng hasurok maurang keneng bypass ha kapor ba sangut ki brio bomla ban itu ki balara da gitari ki larung jubor hapok katrok jongki ha kapor kumba prasan pau menmien haswa bakin rabor no bak yakin katrok wala kat taru hadian gejing tokit jongki Pulit la champion ban ba kinie kilanot uba dai bormi mukhem bat uba robot shadap ha gejing shisha dai makihi ki bedon kti ha kene ke kambean kin narot ki bala syatu ki bakhia kumba khat phra point santon bat ki basong doru kumba khandai point sanlak hadu shipolak tingka lalap no national light terkhong bat jongsha Ngut ki weipat ki bala syak kem ha ka bayadai bat kene gejing ja dai uba babiang bor meliem bat uba soft star well jana.
Okay, 6051 loaded with TMP bars was parked at Morkneng bypass. 4 unknown person armed with knife and came to their vehicle and dragged them out. That it has happened about 8:50 p.m. Dragged them forcefully them inside one Alto vehicle which does not have any registration number. Both persons along with another driver of a truck bearing registration ML05T385A were detained the whole night and they were only released in the morning the next day, that is on the 9th August at Pynursla area.
KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council hapok